Copy trading is a strategy that allows traders to replicate the trades of more experienced investors. It's a popular tool in markets like cryptocurrency, where traders can benefit from the skills and expertise of professionals without having to actively manage their trades. By following the trades of these seasoned experts, copy trading simplifies the process of making investment decisions for beginners and busy traders alike. In this video, I'll explain what copy trading is, how it works in both derivatives and spot trading, and how you can get started. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance way to participate in the markets or just want to learn from the pros, copy trading could be the solution you're searching for. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. To try out copy trading on Bybit, the first thing you need to do is create an account. Bybit is a popular platform that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. It's user-friendly and offers multiple tools to help traders of all skill levels, making it a great option for copy trading. The platform also offers special promo codes for new users. By using my referral code, B5QJY or 18499, you'll get a 20% discount on all your trading fees. This is a great way to start trading with some cost savings. I'll include the referral code in the description below, so be sure to use it when signing up. Now, the basic idea behind copy trading is that instead of making trades based on your own market analysis, you can simply follow the trades made by expert investors on the platform. Once you choose a trader to follow, the platform automatically replicates their trades in your account. This allows you to profit whenever they do, and if they make a loss, you will too. It's a handoff way to participate in the markets, which makes it ideal for beginners or anyone who doesn't have the time to stay on top of market movements. When it comes to cryptocurrency markets, copy trading can be done in two main areas, which are derivatives and spot trading. Both have their advantages and risks. So, derivatives trading involves contracts that derive their value from underlying assets, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, without actually owning the asset. These contracts include futures, options, and perpetual swaps. Derivatives trading is known for offering the ability to use leverage, which means you can control larger positions with smaller amounts of capital. This can significantly increase your potential profits, but can also lead to larger losses if the market moves against you. In copy trading for derivatives, you are essentially following the strategies of expert traders who know how to manage the risks involved with leveraged trades. They execute complex strategies to maximize returns, and by copying their trades, you can tap into their expertise. However, because leverage is involved, it's crucial to be aware of the higher risks, especially in volatile markets like cryptocurrency. Spot trading, on the other hand, is much simpler. In spot markets, you directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You own the asset outright when you make a purchase. Unlike derivatives, there is no leverage in spot trading, which makes it less risky, but also means the potential returns are typically lower. When you engage in copy trading in the spot market, you are mirroring the expert traders' buys and sells of actual cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Spot trading is better suited for traders who prefer a more straightforward approach without the additional risk of leverage. It's also great for those looking to accumulate cryptocurrencies over time, since you own the assets outright. Both derivatives and spot trading offer unique benefits through copy trading. While no extensive trading experience is necessary, educating yourself on trading basics and risks before you begin is essential for success. Copy trading has gained a lot of popularity because it enables individuals to benefit from the strategies and market expertise of seasoned traders without actively managing their own portfolios. Now, Bybit is one of the leading platforms for copy trading in both derivatives and spot markets. Whether you're interested in the potential for high returns in derivatives or prefer the straightforward nature of spot trading, the platform provides all the tools you need. If you're ready to start copy trading, create your account on Bybit. And don't forget to use my referral code, B5QJY or 18499, to get 20% off your trading fees. This can make a big difference, especially as you build your portfolio over time. The code will be in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Make sure you also subscribe and turn on notifications, because there are more tutorials on the way.